Imagine waking up to a world where digital assets are no longer a distant concept, but a part of everyday life, spanning art, finance, entertainment, and even real estate. The digital asset revolution on blockchain isn't just for tech elites or Wall Street veterans. It's for everyone with a dream, a story, and a desire for control over their future. In 2025, nearly 2/3 of major institutions and millions of creators are doubling down on digital assets, expecting tokenized investments, NFT ownership, and on-chain collaboration to become the norm in only a few short years. Not just coins, a universe of digital opportunity. Think bigger than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Today, blockchain powers everything from fractionalized buildings in New York to rare collectibles, movie royalties, and artist-owned fan tokens. Data shows that by 2030, $1 in $4 managed by global funds will be tied to digital assets, making everything more accessible, liquid, and transparent than ever. With each new platform, community, and technical breakthrough, barriers are being smashed, and possibilities are multiplying. Empowerment for every voice. Consider these stories. Lila, a musician in Seoul, minted her debut album as an NFT and watched fans from around the world bid for exclusive tracks, providing instant funding for her studio and connecting her with collaborators she never imagined meeting. In Nairobi, David turned unused farmland into fractional tokens, giving dozens of neighbors a stake in the harvest and profits within weeks. Meanwhile, teachers in Argentina supplement salaries with DeFi lending pools. Students in Mumbai crowdfund tuition using fan tokens, and entire communities launch DAOs to build, organize, and vote on local projects. Everywhere, people find new ways to turn digital presence into real-world impact. Urgency. Why this matters more today. The big players aren't just watching, they're jumping in. Spot ETFs, regulatory reforms, and pioneering tokenization frameworks push fresh volume and recognition, making early adoption more rewarding and less risky. Every week, new use cases drop: insurance policies, logistics dots, cross-chain royalties, and sustainable impact bonds. Ask yourself, will you wait until mass adoption to stake your place, or become an early part of something much bigger than price action? How to start. Your on-ramp to digital asset success. Download a secure wallet. Try options like MetaMask, Ledger, or Coinbase Wallet to control access 24/7. Explore emerging platforms. Ethereum, pulsechain, and Solana top the charts for active projects and user growth. Jump into community channels. Discord and Telegram groups are bursting with how-tos, inspiration, and genuine connections. Make a move. Mint an NFT, buy a tokenized art piece or property share, or lend your first asset in a DeFi pool. Learn by doing with small, safe steps. Share your journey. Whether you help a family member, teach a friend, or post a milestone online, real value comes from real stories shared and amplified by global networks. A personal revolution, driven by you. Imagine being the artist whose work lives on thousands of screens, the neighbor whose land produces communal wealth, or the teacher whose vote in a DAO helps rewrite the rules for local funding. These aren't fantasy. They are daily wins for those plugged into the Web3 transformation. Digital assets aren't just changing markets, they're changing everyday lives. From micro-entrepreneurs just starting out to pensioners boosting savings, anyone willing to learn, experiment, and join supportive platforms is finding new power in a trusted community. Don't miss out. Empower your digital destiny. Now. This is more than a financial evolution. It's about connection, self-expression, and real independence. Click the link below and start today. Download your wallet, join key platforms, explore forums, and make your first digital asset move. The sooner you begin, the more exciting the journey and the greater the reward. Web3 is rewriting access and opportunity, one transaction, one collaboration, and one story at a time. Don't just witness the headlines, become the next one. Your digital future is calling. Answer it today.